In this video, we take a closer look at the details of the folder summary page. At the top, we can see the lead passenger's name, the folder number, the order number, and the status of the folder. The order number is unique for each booking file. If a refund is issued or a file is canceled, they all share the same folder number. There are several options here. First, we have the Retrieve PNR option. If a PNR is linked to this booking, we can click this button to see all our integrations. We can enter the PNR number and select the right integration to retrieve and save it in the folder. All available integrations are listed at this link. Next is the GDS tray. If we want to add a folder or booking to this folder, we click on the GDS tray. This opens the GDS tray, showing all bookings based on the GDS we are integrated with. We can select and upload them here, and they will be added to this folder. Next is credit limit. This feature helps us see the credit limit for this customer. This is meant for account customers, not passengers. When we click here, the available credit is shown, including the costing in this file. This information gives us an overview of the credit limit. Next, we have folder validation. In addition to the mandatory fields on this page, we can set up specific validations for each agency. For example, some fields cannot be empty or must have certain values. This validation is controlled by the folder validation master. We can run a validation test on this folder by clicking this icon. If the test passes, a tick mark appears. In the History tab, we can see the validation status of this folder. Validation settings can be changed for different business areas or set as default. We will cover this in more detail later. Now, let's look at the folder summary. Right now, we see the costing sheet for this booking file. To see the costing sheet for all related folders, we click the Folder Summary button. Here, we see more entries. To view canceled folders, we click Include Canceled, and the canceled folder products will be shown. The pricing and details update as needed. This feature gives us a snapshot of all folders linked to a booking file. To go back to the booking file, we click Cancel. Now let's look at the Call Logs feature. With our telephony integration, we can use the CRM to make a call directly from this booking file. We select a passenger, click the call icon, and place a call. We will explain this more later in the video. All calls from this folder are saved in the call logs. Clicking it takes us to the call logs page. If any calls were made, we can see the log here and even play and listen to the call. Back on the folder summary page, we see an email icon. This is our email CRM integration. If there has been any inquiry or conversation about this booking file, we can attach those emails or tickets to the booking file. To see these tickets, we click here. Clicking a ticket opens it in the email CRM, if we have access. That's the mail list. Now let's look at the order details. We click More. Here we see the folder number and any third-party references, if there are any. The order type could be retail, a package, a flight only, or a third-party package. We can see if the customer is an account customer or a retail customer here. We can also select a specific passenger and add them here. If it's a new customer, we click here to create a new profile. We can also create a new customer profile from here. Now, look at the order number. We can see the branch where this file started and the business area it belongs to. Penguin lets us display or print booking confirmations in several languages. If we select English, it will be in English. If we pick another language, the invoice or booking confirmation will be printed in that language. We also have a multi-currency invoicing option. This is the folder currency. If we select a foreign currency, the exchange rate is calculated. If it matches the company currency, the exchange rate is set to 1. Thanks for watching. We shall explore more features of the folder summary page in the next video.